Are you struggling with a restricted Facebook ads account? You are not alone. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the actionable steps to get your account back on track. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up to find your Facebook ads account restricted, preventing you from running ads or managing your campaigns. Frustrating, right? Whether it's due to policy violations or inactivity, this issue can be resolved within the right approach. First, log into your Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to the Account Overview section. Look for any notification regarding restrictions. If you see a message stating you're restricted from advertising, note the date. This will help you understand the timeline of the issue. If there are no visible restrictions listed, you might not have access to the appeal process directly. However, don't lose hope. Try these methods. Access the Meta Pro Team at facebook.com/business/Meta Pro Team and request assistance. Use the chat feature in Ads Manager to create support tickets. Be persistent, as getting a response can take multiple attempts. Keep a record of all communications with Facebook support. If you manage to connect with a Meta Marketing Pro, take notes on their advice and any promised follow ups. This documentation will be crucial if you need to escalate the issue. Follow up on any calls or emails from Facebook. If they promise to connect you with further support, ensure you check back if you don't hear anything within a reasonable time frame. Dealing with a restricted Facebook ads account can be hassle, but by following these steps, checking your status, exploring appeal options, documenting communications, and staying engaged, you could increase your chances of resolving the issue effectively. Remember, persistence is key. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.